Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going together to have a look what's inside of this parcel that I've recently received from one of my favorite Korean skincare brands, PURITO. I'm really excited to try these products because these products were on my wish list for so long, and now I'm really happy to unbox them. So let's have a look together. As always, the packaging is really nice and recyclable. Paper box and paper packaging. So here we are. These are two products, so let's start from this one. This is the C Clearing BB Cream, SPF 38, PA3+, healthy looking glow, flawless coverage, UVA UVB protection, EO and fragrance free. Only one fact that this BB cream contains Cica is already sounds perfect for me, because I love this ingredient in skincare routine because it is really soothing and calming for my sensitive skin. And I'm really excited to try this BB cream, especially right now, because in summertime and late spring I prefer to use lightweight foundations and especially BB creams. So let's have a look at the ingredients. So you can see the ingredients list. You can stop this video and look in more details on it for those who is interested. The packaging is really nice, as in all products by PURITO. Yes, it is 100 biodegradable sugarcane bagasse packaging. So it is fully recyclable. And let's see the packaging itself. Oh, it's really beautiful. Matte tube. Really pleasant to touch it. And let's have a look. As usually, I've just recently edited my unboxing videos, the first impressions with textures and how the product applies. So here is the perfect sealing protection of the product. Love this tendency in Korean skincare. So you can see the texture is quite lightweight. I hope I've chosen the right shade. The shade is 33 Natural Beige. So let's have a look how it is applied. It applies quite nicely, evenly. I can't say that it is too lightweight foundation, BB cream, so it has quite good coverage, natural coverage. The shade is perfectly chosen for my skin type. Here is how the finish looks on my skin, quite natural. It does not have any scent, so it is perfect for sensitive skin as well. Let me show you in some other angle. So here it is better to see the texture of on my skin. It perfectly covers on minor spots on my skin. And I really love how it looks. It looks quite natural with not that much glowy finish, which is also perfect for combination skin, but quite natural. So we'll definitely be trying this BB cream today, and we'll share my reviews soon. Thank you so much, PURITO. I'm really excited to try it on my face, of course, this BB cream, but so far I really love how it is on my skin, how I feel it on my skin. So let's move to the next product. And the next product is Pure Vitamin C Serum, pure ascorbic acid, 5% with sodium hyaluronate, promotes smooth, even complexion, maintains the elasticity, EO and fragrance-free, vegan and cruelty-free. And as far as I know, this Pure Vitamin C Serum by PURITO was recently reformulated. And let's have a look the ingredients list. Here is the ingredients, and of course the packaging is also biodegradable, and here are the directions. It is also very helpful when you receive a new product to try. So here is the recommendations. Yes, apply 2-3 pumps of the product evenly after cleaning and before moisturizing as your serum step. If you have a sensitive skin type, mix the serum into moisturizer. And here is also one more useful recommendation, and it concerns all vitamin C products, that it is better to use the product within 3 months after it's been unsealed. The product composition is formulated with antioxidants to prevent color changes caused by oxidation. Make sure to close the bottle precisely after use. Here is also the description of this serum. PURITO Pure Vitamin C Serum contains pure ascorbic acid that promotes even complexion and helps improve skin elasticity. Sodium hyaluronate helps attract and retain moisture in the skin. Bambusa vulgaris water helps soothe the skin, keeping it healthy. Sounds really wonderful. Here are also, as I used to see in previous boxes, the brief description of the brand, interesting information about the brand, and the inside part of the box. And here is the serum itself. I never saw such packaging before. Here is the pump dispenser, and it is necessary to install it in this bottle, but I will not be opening this right away because I'm planning to start using this serum in several days, because I have some other products to use right now. But still, this product sounds really wonderful, and the bottle is quite suitable for this product. It is non-transparent almost, and protects the serum from the sunlight, but still it is necessary and better to keep it in the box itself. So thank you so much, PURITO, for these wonderful products. And I'm going to incorporate these products into my skincare routine. BB cream I'll be using today, and vitamin C serum in several days, and will be sharing my first reviews and impressions, of course, on my IG Instagram account, so stay tuned to that account as well. And I hope I'm helping you in searching your perfect skincare routine, so stay with me and stay tuned.